I'm put on some lip gloss first. I need to use this one. My quality is so trash. Because the sun is not up. It is raining today, honey. Sun done everything. So we just gotta make this work. Okay? We gotta make this work.
And she's royal, yeah, so royal.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to do some faux locks. I missed my faux locks, sorry. I decided to do some box braids. You know, let me show y'all how far I am. Let me show y'all. So yes, this is how far I am. I started last night, and honestly I low-key hate doing my hair. It's like I'll be excited to do it, then I'm like, but it saves me money. I feel like this is the neatest I've ever done my hair. Like, so far I am in love. But yeah, let me show you guys how I'm doing it. This is what I have left. I ran out of braids. This is all the braids I have left. My cousin went outside, so I told her to buy me like 2 more packs so that I could finish it up. If y'all hear talking in the background, I'm watching Wendy. If you hear shouting in the back, it's my aunt. But yeah, I'm watching Wendy. I'm trying to catch up. But let's get into this. And that is my mirror in the back there, what I'm using when I'm sitting to do my hair. So yeah, so this is what I'm using to moisturize, well, to oil my scalp. This is what I'm using. The Wild Rose hair oil. For some reason I just love this oil. I don't know why, I just love it. And I'm using this to moisturize my hair, like to get it a little soft. So yeah, this is what I'm using to moisturize it. When my cousin come back, I'll show y'all the hair I'm using, because I threw the other packs in the garbage and I don't like the hair. This expression, but I don't like it because it does knot up too much. The end of your hair is not supposed to look like this. Okay, it's supposed to look, the end's supposed to look like, okay, it's supposed to look like this. See? It's supposed to straight to look like this. Not this. Okay? Sometimes I just be over it. I don't want to strand my hair, but whatever. This should do. Okay, this is more of what the end should look like. This is the amount of hair I'm going to use. And I'm telling you something. My biggest problem is when I'm doing box braids is I don't know how to measure. I don't know how much hair to use for certain braid and stuff like that, so I just go with the flow. Sometimes braids might look big, small. So anyways, they divide in here. One should be at least bigger than the other one. So see, this one is bigger than this one, and I just lap it. They probably look alike, but they're not. You just lap it like this, okay? I'm not a professional, I just try to thing. What I do, I just put my hand like this, see? And then push it through here. This is how it is. Now I have to try and see if I could see. What I do, I try to part my hair itself in 3. So 1, I don't know if I have to see. So this is 3. And little braid. Then, okay, it's like how this sticking out. I don't want that. So I'm gonna go back and try to tuck it in as much as I can. So I'm going to try to tuck in the braids as much as I can. Yeah, the natural hand braids already. Okay. Then I hate this braid so much. It just start burning down. If I had edge control, I would have put it at the end of my natural hair, so it'll be easier for the hair to tuck. But that's fine. Maybe when I do it over, I'll use a bit. Anyways, my cousin coming again. I'm not looking stuff. So yeah. I want to braid it. It's like how this is small and the other pieces is big. You could do is just share. They could share. Like share. Take pieces of each of them. And it's like a sharing. It's like a sharing. Okay. So now I'm going to do another row. I might do 1 or 2 more so you guys could see, and then later I'll come back with the finished product. And then yeah, I don't know how to do this. What I do, I braid them like this until I reach the end of my natural hair, because I kind of want my natural hair to be tucked properly. So I braid them like this until I reach the end of my natural hair before I switch to underneath. So yeah. And then I'm gonna come back with a finished product later on or tomorrow. So yeah. So guys, this is the finished product of my hair. I'll turn it back. Side view. Side view. So yeah, this is it. So now I'm gonna lay my edges because I'm going out. And these are the two braids I use. Well, this is what I started with and then I ran out. So when I jump in, somebody talking to me? This is the one I started with and this is what I finished with when I ran out. And I prefer this over this. This does tangle up too much. So yeah, if you have to choose between one, go with this one. This is less problematic than this. So laters, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and let me know what y'all think about my braids in the comment section below. Okay, yes. Okay, peace.